This video is a selection of the new and updated features we're excited to share with you from the February 2024 release. The full list of features can be found in the February 2024 version 20.24.2 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. This month we're highlighting the following features: Brightspace, branded footer on main pages; Data Hub, Brightspace datasets improvements for February; Discover, perform bulk actions on enrollment requests; and finally, a summary of changes made for all other features. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. With this release, a Powered by D2L Brightspace footer now appears on select pages in Brightspace. The footer appears on the following pages: D2L's login pages, org and org unit home pages, portfolio, Brightspace for parents and guardian, Discover, Manage your dashboard, and finally, Insights portal dashboard. This update replaces the footer that previously appeared at the bottom of the login page and removes the corresponding Do Not Display D2L branded footer setting from the login page management tool. This feature is available to all clients, is automatically enabled, and is not dependent on any configuration variables or permissions. Note that when customers use their own login pages, users do not see the D2L footer. For more information about this update, refer to the Powered by D2L blog post in Brightspace Community. In Data Hub, the following Brightspace datasets are available in this release. In the course copy log BDS, a new status ID column is added. In the LTI links BDS, new last modified by and is deleted columns are added. Also, in the LTI links BDS, the URL column size is changed from 1000 to 2000. Also in Data Hub, the following Brightspace datasets are no longer available: LTI links shared and survey question answer options. This feature is available to all clients. To enable, ensure the Can Access Brightspace datasets permission is granted for administrators at the org level. Also, ensure the d2l.tools.brightspacedatasets.version configuration variable is set to version 8.13 or 9.2. Note that new and changed datasets appear the first time the dataset runs after the version update. Users with the appropriate role permissions, approvers, can now perform bulk actions on enrollment requests in Discover. Approvers can select and process multiple enrollment requests simultaneously, including options to approve or decline enrollment requests. When declining an enrollment request, approvers can also send a single comment to all users whose requests have been declined. This feature also introduces a new Delete Enrollment Request permission. With this permission, users can delete individual or multiple approved, pending, or declined enrollment requests. Previously, approvers were limited to handling one enrollment request at a time, without the capability to approve, decline, delete, or comment on multiple requests concurrently. Note that deleting an approved request does not unenroll a user from the related course. If an approver deletes a pending or declined enrollment request, learners can request enrollment again if that course is visible in Discover. Also, it is important to note that approvers cannot restore deleted enrollment requests. Learners are not notified when an approver deletes an enrollment request. Therefore, D2L recommends that approvers notify users of any deleted enrollment requests. Select multiple enrollment requests, then choose to approve, decline, or delete all selected requests. You can send a single comment when declining multiple requests. This feature is available to all clients. To approve or decline enrollment requests, users must have the Approve Enrollment Request permission. To delete enrollment requests, users must have the Delete Enrollment Request permission. Also, note that deleted enrollment requests cannot be restored. Finally, let's take a quick look at the other features for this month's release. Bongo, provide tailored feedback using learning outcomes with AI coaching and smart scoring features. And Question Library, removal of the question mark icon. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the February 2024 version 20.24.2 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. See you next month!